are thinking about hospitality as a career, then I would recommend that you go to your nearest hotel and start applying for something, or start looking up management companies that may be looking for something that is within the field that you studied or where you have skill sets. But what happened for me personally was that the work that I did and the 10% that my mother taught me, I started having people notice me and notice that I was good at what I was doing, that I had become very good as a director of catering, which was the first director position that I had. I spent more time in catering as a director than I did as a director of sales on property. I spent 15 years in the culinary side of sales. I wasn't a foodie. A lot of catering directors are foodies. They know how to talk the language. They know the sauces and the different cuts of meat and all of that. I was smart enough that I had my chef come into the meetings if we had to have a technical foodie discussion. But I was really good at the sales. And I was really good at customer relationships. And I was really good at, and literally, the hospitality helped me find where my skills were and where I could excel.